All right, so this is the year we are going to start doing longer format garden tours, hopefully. Last year I did not do a great job of documenting my garden, and I'm actually really upset about it because there was a ton of wins that I don't have photos or pictures of. So we're gonna try to commit to one video a week of just like a basic garden tour. But today I'm just gonna talk about my goals for the garden and what I plan on improving on this year. So if you guys are new, it's a mess right now because I didn't clean up after fall, but this is our first plot. This right here is a 5,000 square foot plot. We grow all in ground. I do have some buckets here that I used to grow in, but honestly I haven't done much in them now, but I may try to revive them. But yeah, this is our 5,000 square foot plot. And then over here, I think this plot right here is our, it's about 3,000 square feet. I think it's like 2,900 to be exact because there's this like weird little curve here, but I just call it 3,000. And as you can see, we still have okra from last year. Those are the plots that we've got this year. Oh, also we did just add this little raised bed here. That's gonna be Rice's garden this year, but I'm gonna add a couple other little raised beds for some herbs and things. So as far as the homestead is concerned, my goal for the garden is just to make it more manageable and weed free. Those are like my only two goals for the garden. So this year I am going to be implementing a lot of weed fabric usage. I've never done that before. I've always just tilled, so I'm really excited to implement that and see how those change things. So that's like my main goal, is to keep a weed-free garden. I will be using a ton of square foot gardening methods, I think, in that, and I'm kind of making, instead of rows, beds. I'm doing 3 feet wide beds that are 50 feet long in my big garden and then 30 feet long in this smaller one. The reason behind that is I want it to be less work. I want it to be a little bit less work for me. It's a big garden for one person. So, but also I want to establish some perennials. My goal this year is I've got some strawberry seeds coming in, and I would like to put in about 300 square feet of strawberries this year. So starting them from seed, I've never done that before, but we're gonna give it a shot and see how that goes. So my focuses are a weed-free garden, strawberries, potatoes, always potatoes. If you've never grown them, you should grow them, especially in ground. They're not that hard at all. But I want to grow, the most I've ever grown is 350 pounds of potatoes, and I really want to shoot to like 500 to 700 pounds. I've mapped out enough time and space for about 900, but I'm gonna give myself some grace there. I am also implementing flowers this year. That is brand new for me. We got bees last year, and so I really want to put in some flowers because early season and late season, there's just not a lot of food out here for them. So I really am gonna focus on some flowers. I'm dedicating about 800 square feet, maybe 1,000 to flowers just throughout the garden in different sections. I really just want to capture the beauty of the farm. You get caught up so much in the day-to-day of feeding the animals and watering the garden that I really just want to take the time to just document it. So in the wintertime when I'm dreaming of it, it's there.
There's a chicken one, guys!
Sorry, a chicken was looking funky. So as far as the chickens are concerned, chicken math has never really hit me. I've been under control. But this year some things have happened, and chicken math I think is actually gonna catch up to me this year. So right now I've got like 16 girls. I've got 5 babies I gotta go pick up at a friend's house. I'm working with a new incubator, so I'm gonna hatch 12 there. And then I've got like 4 or 5 coming from another friend, from Murray McMurray. I wanna add like a naked neck and some other funny looking breeds. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, that's it. I just kind of wanted to show you guys where we're starting, what we've got, what the plans are this year. Strawberries, potatoes, flowers. manageable garden. Last year I ended up growing 765 pounds, I think. And then the year before that, I grew about 1,200. I'm really hoping for implementation of like weed fabric and square foot gardening, I can push that to about the 2,000 pound mark, because that's like a, I don't know, that's like a numbers goal for me. But I'm just gonna do the best that I can. A manageable garden, less stress is really my main goal this year. So hope you guys enjoyed this first long format video. This is very new for me, but hopefully we'll see you next week. And I got seeds started, so maybe we'll have some seedling babies. How easy, girls. Y'all are being aggressive today.
This thing on the place.